August Stamp Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to World of Apps. So in this video I will show you how you can do this viral Instagram trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, you'll have to go to your Instagram app and then click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen. And here you have to search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then here you have to go to August, add yours at highlights, which is here. And now you have to tap until you find the desired sticker. Just like this. So here we have it. Now you have to click on the others button. And if you are not able to click on the others button, once I will do the story, I will show you from where you can get a YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story and afterwards I will show you the tutorial. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo for your August stamp. I will go with this photo right here. Now you can place your sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller. And now you can share your story with your friends. And guys, if you are not able to click on the others button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Instagram account, but this time you will have to go to super viral at highlights. And here you will find this first story. Not able to click on the others button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here and it will get you to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 2 minutes. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you. So make sure to click on this link if you are not able to click on the others button. If this video was useful for you, you can like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can comment in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.